Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert Telegram voice messages to MP3. Alright, let's begin. First, open Telegram and save the voice message you want to convert. Download it to your device to make sure the audio file is ready for conversion. Next, go to an online audio converter that supports the Opus format. You can use tools like Audio Converter or check others available on the App Store. Once you have the tool open, upload the saved Telegram voice message by tapping on the add icon at top right corner. After uploading, choose MP3 as the output format. You can also adjust the audio quality depending on your preference. Set everything the way you want, then begin the conversion process. The tool will convert the Telegram voice message into an MP3 file using your selected settings. Once the conversion is complete, download the MP3 file to your device. You now have the message in MP3 format ready for sharing or playback using any compatible app or media player. This process works for any Telegram voice message, and with the right converter, you can quickly turn them into portable MP3 files. It is especially useful if you need to archive, edit, or share voice messages more easily. So that's basically how you can convert Telegram voice messages to MP3. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.